i35equipment.com. This is JCB 160 excavator. This is a really cool machine. It is a legal load, so convenient to haul around town. So really nice for construction sites, but it'd also be really nice to have out on the ranch or farm. It's got the hydraulic solid tine heavy duty hydraulic thumb, which is great for pulling trees or loading up some boulders. Also good for grabbing pipe or sorting scrap, doing demolition with. Undercarriage is in like new condition. It does have the hand and safety rails. The bucket and thumb are matching, so that's a tag bucket with a tag hydraulic thumb pin-on style. Walk around here and let him move it so you can see the undercarriage on this side going. This machine has very low hours, has a foot pedal or operator's thumb control for the auxiliary hydraulics, which are hooked up to that hydraulic thumb. Cold working air conditioning. No blow-by. Glass looked to be in good condition. Has a factory JCB suspension seat. Real nice and comfortable. In case you need to put in some long days. Does have a working horn, as you just heard. Dude's gonna grab some of this debris back here. If you're in our local area, we do allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete back here. This machine has really good power for its size class. Go ahead and get it parked and we'll take a look around, check out the motor, inside all the access panels, and then we'll hop up in the operator station last and take a look inside there. Like I said, super nice bucket and thumb combination. 5 teeth. The thumb, like I said, it's a solid tine. That means it's all one solid piece there with serrated fingers or tines for grabbing. I'm a big fan of this design here. It makes it very convenient for climbing up for access and work. The hand and safety rails are still intact here. So I don't think it's been abused, because usually if they've been abused, it's the first thing that goes. This is really good. The motor sounds good. We do welcome you to bring your own mechanic out or hire some local ones to accompany you. That way you can have a good idea of what you're looking at. Specialize in consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call to learn more about our consignment sales service. We do have folks all over the country looking for good, ready to work equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. Like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so get it shipped to you should not be an issue at all. Just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with the best hauling rate that comes back to us. We do welcome you to arrange for your own hauling or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Sorry, that's a two-hander. Does have dual batteries. Looks real clean in there. Once again, we're happy to meet you out here so you can look it over for yourself and operate it. We are open by appointment only. That's just give us a call to get on the calendar. 405-833-6437. Factory JCB sufficiency. Working light that goes with the comes on when the door opens. Here's a radio. Let's check it out. Working radio. Very nice. All right. We'll go ahead and shut this door so we can keep this nice cold air conditioning in here and keep the dust out. It's got the pull back sun visor there. Okay. Currently sitting at only 2015 hours. Consider that low hours. There's all your controls. Working windshield wiper. These JCBs do have a dual safety. So you drop this handle and then you have to hit this lock switch to make it operate. And when it's operating, it goes to a gear. When it's not operable, it goes to a lock. No codes, no issues, and I can show you that. You just hit this one and gonna twist the dial over to the medic bag. You see no codes, no issues. Happy to have you out. As always, you see our full and up-to-date inventory of consignment heavy equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.